All right, so after just kind of letting it sit a little bit longer, and I was like, maybe I just can't see the line because I had the case off and there's a big bright window right here. So I tossed the case back on, started moving the indicators around, and lo and behold, we have deflection. So trigger, focus, intensity, turn the intensity down, vertical alignment. I'm gonna get a probe and do the calibration / just put on the 1 volts peak to peak out and see what we're looking with. So we have the horizontal voltage here. Even in the book it says when it's on internal trigger with no probe, anything higher than 0.2 will not be able to see microseconds. All right, so get the probe and see if we have a waveform.